We'll be going over how to foam roll the IT band and the vastus lateralis, which is the outer portion of our quadricep muscle. To get started, we're going to be in a kind of a side plank position. So my right hand's going to come down for support. My right leg is going to pop onto my foam roller right below that hip bone. And we're going to slowly roll through. Nice and controlled. If you notice that you find a really sore spot, you can hang out on that for about 5 to 10 seconds. If you feel like it's not getting in enough or enough intensity, just go ahead and go into a kind of a full side plank position and hang out for 5 to 10 seconds. To get to the vastus lateralis, or that outer quad, you should roll your torso forward and just perform the same thing. So just kind of roll the top third at a time. I like to put my left hand down for support if you need to. And once that's loose, you can work your way up into that middle portion as well.